waited a long time to do this. As you know, I have all the accessories in the PS5. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and reach down and pick something up, and we're gonna go over it and read the box and open it together. First, we got, I don't know, the PlayStation 5 Media Remote. So the Media Remote is built for entertainment. The navigated entertainment is dedicated app buttons, control streaming apps from your PS5 console and the volume, power settings, quick access tool. It's very convenient. Made by Sony. You can get Disney Plus, Netflix, quick buttons, as well as Spotify and YouTube. So to open these boxes, use my handy dandy knife that my dad got when I was a kid. I don't know if it's sharp, but we're gonna find out together. So inside, we got a whole nother box outside of the box. It's insane out there. And if you open this box, it's a battery for the remote and the actual remotes. It feels real good in my hands. I see myself using this, turn TV on, nice buttons. See my hands are big, so like it's really a nice size. Like I said, it grips your hand when you grab it. I like it. And what do we have next? Oh, the DualSense charging station. It has, you can charge 2 controllers. It frees up the USB port so you don't gotta plug it into the system. It has a click design, so when it's on there, you know that it's on there, so you know it's charging. Let's open it up. Inside, we got another box. Inside the box, I guess it's a theme for this. I don't know. Inside, you have another charger and an AC cord, I guess, and then a small little charging station. I thought it would be bigger than this, honestly. Looks cool. Almost a little bigger than what's sold in the box, but pretty cool. And what do we have next? I don't know. Let's find something. Oh, it's the HD camera. The HD camera has 1080p HD capture. It has background removal tools. I didn't know that actually. And it has a built-in stand for your camera. Let's open it up. I guess we got another theme because everything that come out this box got another box in it. I guess it's for safety. I don't know why they do that. So we'll roll around. I don't know. Inside the box, you got just the camera, cord, some nice fancy bag, some instructions in there. You know, and this is what it looks like. And what do we have next? Oh, it's a DualSense controller. You always have to have an extra DualSense controller, you know, when friends come over or your girlfriend want to tailbeat in the game. So the DualSense controller for the PS5 has haptic feedback. You feel more physically responsive feedback to your in-game actions. It has adaptive triggers. I heard about the Call of Duty Black Ops when each gun has a different trigger. It's insane. Built-in microphone and has signature comfort. I'm gonna test that out now to see if it really fits in my hand this time. This one's different.
That's a shot. And what do you know? The box is out of the box. But I can't get out for some reason. You open the box up? I'm sorry. I'm gonna rip it up. Oh well. I'm sorry, guys. Oh! Why is it so tight in this box?
Alright. So, Sony, it's a box inside a box. And I have an issue with how this was packaged. The box is almost the same size as the box that it's in. Like, maybe put it in a little bigger box. That was stupid. I didn't like that. But again, this is an unboxing video, so now we know. Inside the box, we have just the controller and some instructions. There you have it. You know, this is definitely bigger than the PS4 controller. It feels better. It feels cool in the hand. The buttons are beautiful to the touch. The analogs are pretty much the same as the PS4, but the gripping on it feels a little better. And it's a little bigger, just a tad bit bigger than the DualSense on the PS4. So I love it. Well, I guess it's only one more accessory it could be, so let's see what it is. Oh, 3D Pulse wireless headset. These are hard to get right now, but I got it. It has dual hidden microphones, enhanced by noise canceling technology, built-in battery, rechargeable battery for play up to 12 hours, easy access controls, quickly adjust audio, 3.5mm jack for use with PSVR. I don't have that. I kind of get nauseous, so I don't get that. Refined ear pads, because the last ones on the PS4 were horrible. They broke off and then you have black stuff on you. I hated those. And it has a wireless adapter attachment, which I probably won't use because I got a stream, so I'll probably use my jack. So let's open it. Oh, pause that. I forgot it has fine-tuned 3D audio for PS5 consoles. Like 3D audio is awesome if you didn't know. You need these headphones.
They're all different.
Well, this one doesn't have a box in the box. It has a box on top of it with another little compartment with something else in it in directions. But the headphones are just right there. They're beautiful. As you can see, they actually smell good too. I don't know if this would be for my head. Probably need something a little bigger, but you know. Oh no, it fits perfectly actually. 3D Pulse headset. And I don't know what's in this little box. Probably the cords, I guess. Yep, exactly. A charging USB head. Yep, all the cords that was in there. Bluetooth wireless. 3.5mm jack. And last but not least, you know what y'all been waiting for. It's the actual PS5. It's on the floor. In this massive box. You can't see me. I can't see you. But you can see it. And it says, play like never before. Lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. As you know, this is the disc one. The disc one. 8K, 4K, 120, HDR, 120 frames per second. Let's get to it.
I'm talking to show like the other shots too. So you probably might cut. You got it. You get it. I guess it's a box inside a box too. Well, I'm broken robot, guys. Let's try it now.
That other box is clearly unnecessary. This is the same size box inside the box. Put this inside on the outside. Let's open it up.
One eternity later.
On top, you got the charging cable, I guess. Another dual strap controller. I already have one, so let me open it up. And then you have the actual PS5. Yes. 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 Oh, double wrapped up in here. Okay. Okay, Sony, protect my PS5. It's kind of big. I like that about it. The panels feel like rubber a little bit. It's cool. You can sit it vertical like this with the vertical thing, which I don't know where it is.
It's probably in that box right there.
It's probably in that box right there. I'm going to lay mine flat though. I don't really have a use for it. But there you have it. PS5 and all the accessories. Got the games too, but I don't feel like I need to open those. Thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for the next one.